Today, we are going to Arizona. Mga 2 o'clock alis kami. Mag-overnight lang kami doon. Banding lang with the family. What's this? Who's this? Baby shark? We are now in the car and we are about to leave na in a few minutes to go to Arizona. And these are the kids. They're eating their snacks. Baka makatulog sila sa biyahe kasi hindi sila natulog ngayong hapon. Hi, babe! Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog!
Pick upin lang namin si tita. Ayaw yung aso! Dito na kami.
Where's the baby? Asleep? Bye, Jennifer. Oh, cute.
God's boy dog! That's when he was, yeah. This is his little house. You behave. What? Yeah, that's what they turn. Our hands are going to get so muddy and dusty, you know. Here's the, I just parked the car in here. I insulated this garage too. I just had everything. I just put everything in here. I'll take it back out so you can see better.
Yeah, it's big.
Oh, it's okay. Is that another car?
Yeah, that's the RV.
Oh, that's the RV, the new RV?
Yeah, we just got that last year. Yeah. Yeah, I got this because I had that big. It's a mess now.
Oliver.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's cute.
His place too.
This has got the bed. This one here. Again, I don't want to do it because I got stuff behind
no
it.
worries.
Yeah, but it comes down. And these fold down, so it's a nice big bed here too.
Yeah, perfect for you and
Yeah.
Lola baby.
Yes.
Perfect size for you and Lola baby. Maintenance is easier too compared to the big one.
Then there's a
Oh wow.
yeah. Got 2 TVs.
Gusto siya ni Valerie, si Oliver.
Oliver!
Mas matapang si Valerie. Nahabol niya. Kinabas si Sienna, medyo nitakot. Dala rin kami ng TV lang.
300.
Kami din wala ka
Oliver!
It's 280.
Oliver!
Shortcut. And then...
Matapos nakita ko sa Facebook. Excuse me, bari kukuha ko lang siya kuchilyo.
Pot roasted.
Oo. Pero hiniwa ko na siyang maliliit. Oo nga, delikado. Dinaanan sa akin ba na? Maglalakad na si Valerie. Hanap ko siya. Kiniskis pa niya.
Kiniskis mo ba? Eh, siyempre. Excited din ako eh.
Parang one ball ba?
Ay, oo. Bilog na bilog. Ay, ay, naku, malamnaw.
Mukhang ano?
Oo, para sa
Mukhang nagtatampo.
Talagang sa ano.
Tapos.
Masarap yan eh, Sam. Masarap talaga sa Costco.
Ganyan din yung binili ni Papa.
Ayun, binili ko sa La Bonita. Tignan natin mo yan.
Try natin.
Sa atin to, story. O pwede ka rin dito mo po, if you want. Dito kami, kumakain. Kahit saan mo nabili. Sa bahay. Wow. Dito, Les.
Maraming siyang kinain na.
Sige na, tita. Namamang kumain. Sige na, pinulo namin ang bahay mo. Yeah. Saan nyo sa akin? Oo nga. Kaya na sabi. Ano na? Ito sa'yo?
Oo.
Occupied yung papi mo ng ngangat-ngat ng stick.
Ay, na wala, baby.
Yung cooler malamig ah. Ito mainit. Ano eh, ice ka?
Lalagyan ko lang.
Okay. Ang ganda naman na ice mo. Nakabili nga yung tatlo.
300 yan, ma. Bili ka mo 900 lahat.
Tatlong ano lang sabi.
Tatlong yelo.
Ito may tunog yung mga
300 daw.
Oh, yeah.
Pati yung isa?
Yeah. Yung sa kwarto niya.
Nagyan ko na lang
Sa bahay?
na tubig.
Yeah. Pakinggan mo, pagdating 6 o'clock. 3 minutes. Saan na ba kayong baking soon?
Ready na ako, tatanggalin ko na.
Oh. Hi!
Hindi ako makakaligo, Lola baby. Red alert.
Red alert. Pwede naman yun eh. Meron ka ng tampon.
Pero may mga... Baka lumutang. Ano na lang? May mga sa tabi.
Sasama sa'yo, sila Fiona eh. Yung ako sasama ng tatay niya. Kaya habang nagsiswimming, kami magbaano.
Nakuha ko na.
Bumundok. KJ mo naman. Meron doon pool. Sa clubhouse. Dala nga ni Daddy, ba't mga watermelon sa Denver? Pakita mo. There, lalo. Mami, ayun ko. Sabi niya, private ako, private. Ako, basta pakwan.
Pakwan, banana.
Ano siya sa prutas?
Bakwan. Sabi sa'yo kumakain pala.
This way. Another way. This way. Yan. Good job. Yummy.
Oh.
Babe, pero kung ano, baka maano yung upuan.
Ayun eh. Oh, tingnan nyo na. Mas masarap naman to. Oh. Buti pa, putulin mo na yung bala. Ako ganun eh.
You dragged it before?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
Come here.
Yeah. I think it's the smaller one. Never mind.
Denver.
If you don't hook that up.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta pay the pair first. $10 each. Asan daw yung lote nila? Binili na rin eh.
Binili pala ni Cathy yung dalawa. We survived.
Hi!
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, baby! Hi, dali!
Say hi.
Hi!
Mama, nakinabahan ako sa'yo.
Nandyan na yun, roundabout yan.
There's a airplane, baby. You see? You see the airplane? There, airplane. Bye-bye, airplane. You play with Oliver na.
No more Lulu. Oh, see?
Wow! Bye-bye! Bye, Denver!
Oh, you like
Sa tao dati nag-trading kami niya. Di ba kailangan natin ng ganyan? Pasang-pasa yung kamay.
Ito, malikot to eh.
Alam, try mo, maganda sa ano.
Oh no!
Lalay ka lang sa ano.
Malikot! Baka tumalon yan.
Tatalon to.
Bye-bye!
Talaga naman.
You hold my hand.
Okay, just hold.
Ready? All I can see is a tree here. Put it down.
Bye-bye!
Sorry, I'm a bad driver.
Dapat alalay.
Just hold tight, baby!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Are you driving?
He really likes Denver! Are you done?
Okay.
Thank you. Did you say thank you?
Oh, this one? You want to drive that one? Hindi kami confident eh, no?
Diyos ko po. Bawal na nga. Sige, Legs. Ay, sige, Legs.
Baby! Nalamig ka? Sit ko. Cold?
Basa.
Swimming kami. Swimming with the famba. Oh, maligo ka na.
Meron din ako eh.
Meron din daw si Mama.
Merong ano? May amoy. Hindi pala meron si amoy. Go to Dada. Go to Dada. Go to Daddy.
Hey guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay ni Lola Baby. Ngayon, tulog na kami. Tulog na rin ang mga bata. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning!
Ano niya? Nika.
Ha?
Pag nagtatanggal sinelas niya. Daddy, huwag kang pahawakin mo na. Wala pang shot yan. Come on, Denver. Come here.
Don't run, Denver, don't run.
No, it's okay.
Don't run so fast.
It's okay, Daddy. It's okay for you to run. Okay, oh, see? Very good. You want to be a runner.
Denver! Psst! Denver!
Lakad naman. Run.
Oh, yung right
Nakapula
shoe
ng
niya.
lift. Apula ng pisngi, oh.
Come, Denver. Come.
Ganyan din ako ng
Piso
bata
eh.
eh.
Tinan mo naman ang
Let's-
Oh,
pisngi,
you
oh.
don't look very heavy.
Kaya natatanggal.
Natatanggal yun.
Hindi, kasi ano eh. Ay, nasa there.
It's nice out now.
Baby, nahanap niyo si Baby.
Baby.
Oh, baby's good.
Si Valerie. Where's Baby?
Are they playing or they're...
There, Baby!
They're playing. Oh, there's your sisi, oh.
I don't think they're playing. Oliver's a grouch.
Oh!
Ala, oh no. Ayaw magpaangat ng bike eh.
Go! Go daw, Daddy!
Oh, you hold ah, you hold.
Hold ah!
Ba't nakatagilid ka?
Bye-bye!
Kamutin mo yung ano niyan, gilagi niya.
Valerie!
Say hi.
It was so fast, the wind caught it and just...
Babe, tulog na! Tulog na! Wala si...
Sleeping!
Kaya pala umiiyak eh.
Anak, ginuhat na anak mo.
Pinablog ni Mami. Na-sprain si mama. Si mama na-sprain. Oh. Naku po. Sakit yan. Ilang araw pa yan. Uwi na kami. And ayun, nag-enjoy kami this weekend dito. Yes, baby, what do you want? Food? Are you hungry? Wait.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Right.
Bye, Oliver.
Thank you.
Bye, Oliver.
Thank you. Lola, baby, thank you.
Watch out for Dale.
Did you have fun?
Yes, yes,
Watch
yes.
out for the
Very
cows.
much.
Bye-bye.
That's my head.
The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some times when I've been all alone and wanted to give up, but you helped me stand.
Hello. Bye na kami. Kilalagnat si Valerie. Hulog na tong baby namin yan.